A time of crisis is not only just a time of worry, it also gives a chance and opportunity to choose well or to choose badly. COVID-19 pandemic changed the face of human society. This COVID-19 outbreak has helped me in transforming myself, my thinking, and acting toward to protect me, our community and environment. The last 3 to 4 months of COVID-19 pandemic conditions have affected the whole world. This also made me a changed human being. This crisis has brought many changes in me. During these months, I have improved myself in many ways. I turned myself to love, courage, and kindness. This crisis mean growth for me and I took some new steps. First and important thing which I have become my habit now is I have started taking care of my physical and mental health more than I ever did. I take well balanced diet, I do exercises, yoga every day. I wash my hands regularly. I wear mask when I go out. I ensure maintaining social distancing. I go for a walk in the park but follow social distancing guidelines. COVID-19 has taught me that no one is stronger than nature. I made myself more responsible towards natural resources and environment. I realized on a global level that depressing the curve of environmental destruction is just as important as depressing the curve of COVID-19. To protect nature, we should live according to the nature. But if we destroy it, it will take revenge from us. This crisis made me more spiritual. I stay focused on the spiritual disciplines in my life like prayer and meditation. I have nurtured my spiritual side to connect to my higher self, to find the inner strength to deal with this crisis. No doubt that our priority should be protecting ourselves and our family members. I extended a helping hand to my elders, friends, and loved ones we have lost touch with. I did a little bit by donating for stranded migrant laborers and homeless people.